Click on the link below to get price. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is an impressive addition to the compact drone market, designed for both enthusiasts and professional content creators seeking portability without compromising on performance. Weighing in at just 249 grams, this folding mini drone is incredibly lightweight, making it a breeze to carry on outdoor adventures. One of the standout features of the Mini 4 Pro is its advanced camera capabilities. It boasts a 4K HDR video resolution, allowing for stunning visuals with rich colors and detailed imagery. The 1/1 3-inch CMOS sensor captures 48MP stills, providing ample resolution for professional quality photos. The HDR capability enhances the dynamic range, ensuring that both highlights and shadows are beautifully rendered. This makes it an ideal tool for landscape photography, as well as for capturing vibrant, high-quality videos. The intelligent flight modes are another highlight of this drone. With features like Focus Track, which includes active track and spotlight modes, the Mini 4 Pro can easily follow subjects while maintaining a stable shot. The Quick Shots feature allows users to create cinematic shots effortlessly, perfect for those who may not have extensive drone piloting experience. The flight time is impressive, with up to 34 minutes on a single charge, which is ideal for longer shoots and extended exploration. The enhanced transmission system ensures a strong signal, allowing for a control range of up to 12 kilometers, which is a significant advantage for capturing distant subjects or expansive landscapes. Moreover, the DJI RC2 remote controller adds excellent ergonomics and an intuitive interface for easier navigation. The built-in screen is bright and clear, providing real-time feedback without needing a separate device. In summary, the DJI Mini 4 Pro combines innovative technology with user-friendly features, making it a top choice for anyone looking to elevate their aerial photography and videography. Its portability, impressive camera quality, and intelligent flight modes make it an essential tool for creators on the go.